How to put someone else's post on your Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and let's learn to put someone's post on your Instagram story. Without further ado, let's begin. Open Instagram and from the feed section you can easily find the post you want to share. You can easily scroll to the bottom of your screen. And suppose if this is the post, or let's say this one, tap on the share icon at bottom right of this post. Tap on Add to Story at bottom left corner of your screen. Once it appears on this page, you can customize it with music, effects, stickers or texts. Then tap on Your Story at bottom left to share it to your story. If the Add to Story option is not available, the account owner has restricted sharing. In that case, you can take a screenshot and manually upload it to your story. And that's it. Hope this helps. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.